A lot of creators have been experiencing a decrease in the amount of views that they're getting and the amount of followers that they're getting on TikTok right now because the best hashtag strategies to be using on TikTok have recently changed, and I see so many creators making very simple mistakes that are decreasing the amount of views that they're getting and the amount of followers that they're getting. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to be changing when it comes to your hashtags. You're gonna know exactly what mistakes you shouldn't be making when it comes to hashtags, and you're gonna understand exactly how TikTok uses hashtags so that you're able to understand that and take advantage of it to get more views and get more followers. In fact, I just helped this creator gain 150,000 followers on TikTok in just 30 days. This creator, 100,000 followers, and this creator, 80,000 followers, and none of them would have been able to have explosive growth like that as a small creator to become a big creator on TikTok had they not used the right hashtag strategies. So you need to make sure that you pay attention to everything that I share with you in this video because it's going to make the difference between you gaining followers on TikTok right now and you losing followers. Strategy number one is 2 broad hashtags and 1 niche specific hashtag. If you don't know what broad hashtags are, you don't know what niche specific hashtags are, let me explain. But before I could do that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course. You can get it, the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best time to post on TikTok right now and how to turn your viewers into followers on TikTok. You can get that right now at the link in the pinned comment below. And like I said, it is 100% free. In addition to that, here's my phone number. Please shoot me a text message. I literally quit my job working for Gary Vee to help you grow on TikTok, and I want to help you, and I want you to take advantage of the fact that I'm literally giving you my phone number. Now, niche specific hashtags are going to be the hashtags that are specific to whatever you're posting about. If you're posting about fitness, they're going to be the fitness related hashtags. If you're talking about cooking, they're going to be the cooking related hashtags. Now, a lot of people ask me, Rob, how on earth can I find these hashtags? Literally just look up whatever topic you're about to make a video about. Go under hashtags and you will see all the niche specific hashtags. Now, when it comes to these niche specific hashtags, you want to be using hashtags that are as large as possible. If you don't know why, I'm going to explain to you in just a little bit how TikTok actually uses hashtags and why you need to be using the biggest hashtags possible. But before we can do that, you need to know strategy number 2, and you need to understand what broad hashtags are. Broad hashtags are very simple. They're things like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag TikTok, hashtag trending. They're things that are very broad on TikTok. They're not something that's niche specific, so you don't want to go into a different niche. You want to be using the broad hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag For You page, things like that. They're going to expand the reach on your content because basically the way that TikTok uses hashtags is they're going to look at what people are interacting with. If they look at fitness videos, they want to see what hashtags people are interacting with under there. And really, it only comes down to 2 hashtags that TikTok picks up on. The broad hashtags, things like hashtag FYP, hashtag TikTok, hashtag viral, these are going to help you expand your niche on TikTok and expand the amount of views that you're getting. And then the niche specific things, which tell TikTok very specifically what kind of audience they should be attacking when you post a video to TikTok and you get good results from it. And then they're going to push it out even more to make your video go viral, to make it get more views. This all comes down to how you're using hashtags. Hashtag strategy 2 that you need to be implementing is 4 niche specific hashtags. Now, before we get into the last 2 hashtag strategies that you need to be using, which by the way are by far the most important, I need to emphasize something. There's more organic reach on TikTok right now than there ever has been before. You might have been on TikTok 2 or 3 years ago. You might have been able to get a lot of views on your videos, get a lot of followers, but those people weren't specific to what you're actually posting about. A lot of creators that you see that have millions and millions of followers, their followers don't care about them. They're not going to buy anything they post. They're not actually interested in whatever they're doing. Their followers simply followed them back in the day because they got so much reach on their posts. The same thing happens now where you get a ton of reach, but the difference is that TikTok actually knows who they should be targeting. Why do they know who they should be targeting? Because the algorithm has had such a long period of time to be able to train for this. So now when you post a fitness video, the people that see it are going to be actually interested in fitness. They want to lose weight. They want to gain muscle. If you're posting something in book talk, those people are actually going to be interested in whatever book you're posting about. If you're posting about affiliate marketing, those people are ready to strike, ready to take action if you actually know what you're talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing. The same thing goes for everything, for finance, for crypto. The TikTok algorithm is so much better at actually showing your content to people that matter, but hashtags make up a huge difference with this. A lot of creators still, I see them all the time, small creators, they're making 4 different mistakes when it comes to the hashtags. 1, they're not using relevant hashtags, using irrelevant hashtags, which doesn't help TikTok push their content to the right people. And more importantly, if TikTok isn't pushing your content to the right people, your watch time's going to suffer. If your watch time suffers, the algorithm says, hey, we're not pushing out Timmy's video because nobody cares about this video, but that ultimately started with Timmy using a relevant hashtag. So please make sure you're using no irrelevant hashtags. Secondly, make sure that you're not ever going an extended period of time without using hashtags. I see so many small creators do this, I see big creators do this, and it is a huge mistake. Now, of course, you might see a big creator that didn't use hashtags. You might see a small creator that didn't use hashtags. But if you're using hashtags over time, you're going to get more views, you're going to get more followers, and you're going to help train the TikTok algorithm to actually get you the viewers and get you the followers that are going to be interested in buying your product or buying your sponsor's product, which is going to help you get more sponsors or whatever the case is. If you're trying to monetize TikTok, you're trying to grow on TikTok, you're trying to actually build a community and a real audience on TikTok, maybe you want TikTok to convert over to streams on your music. If you actually want to build up a fan base like that, you need to make sure that you're using the right hashtags. The two other mistakes that I see so many small creators make when it comes to hashtags on TikTok is one, they're putting their hashtags before their description. Do not do that. They should go after the description, and they definitely shouldn't go in your comment section. And finally, you do not want to load up the description bar with hashtags. This is a terrible thing to do. It is the same thing as putting irrelevant hashtags in, and quite frankly, it's the same thing as using no hashtags at all. It doesn't help TikTok identify the audience that you should be going after, and that is why you should not be taking those two strategies. The third hashtag strategy that you guys need to be using right now is too broad hashtags. There are a lot of gurus out there that'll tell you don't use hashtag FYP, don't use hashtag for you, but literally go on your For You page. Look at the videos that are going viral. You're going to see a lot of these hashtags, broad hashtags, over and over and over again on these posts. So I don't know where people come up with this information. I don't know why people are spreading those lies. You should be using broad hashtags. And like I just said, hashtag strategy number 3 is too broad hashtags. I strongly recommend using that strategy. Now there's one hashtag strategy left. It's going to be the one that makes people go viral more often than not. But before we dive into that, I want to go a little bit deeper in how TikTok actually uses hashtags. So somebody interacts with a video, right? And it has fitness hashtags on it. TikTok then knows that that video is about fitness. So what do? They have an audience that's interested in fitness. More specifically, they have an audience that's interested in growing their butt, growing their biceps, growing their back, losing weight, gaining weight, transformational things, different types of posts, whatever the case is. And then TikTok is going to look at those hashtags, see who they should actually push that piece of content to. That content's going to get pushed to those people. And then there are 6 other factors that TikTok is going to be looking at. When it comes to how the TikTok algorithm actually works, let me give you a brief overview. TikTok is looking at the hashtags that you use, the time that you post, the topic of your video, the watch time you get on your video, whether or not people actually like your video and interact with your video. And then they're also looking at whether or not people are happy after they watch your video. They're going to be looking at all those different things, in addition to a couple other things, like whether or not what you're doing was a trend, whether or not you're using a trending effect, whether or not you're using a trending sound. And from there, they're going to determine whether or not they should push out your piece of content. Now, as you guys notice, hashtags make up a small but very important part of that equation. And if you're not using these hashtags correctly, it's going to hurt your ability. But more importantly, you could be using the best hashtags in the world. You could be using perfect hashtag strategies. But if you get the other 6 things wrong that you need to also be doing in your video, then that's why you're not getting views. That's why you're not getting followers. A lot of you guys are blaming the reason that you're not getting views, you're not getting followers on the hashtags that you're using, and it couldn't be further from the truth. You can use the right hashtags, but if you're not doing the other 6 things right, it's going to be the reason that you're not seeing the success that you want, and it's going to be the reason that ultimately you're not growing on TikTok. And this brings me to the last hashtag strategy that you need to be using, which is 2 broad hashtags, 2 niche specific hashtags. Like I said, you could be using this hashtag strategy, but if you don't do the other 6 things right that you need to do in order to have a video go viral, your video is not going to go viral. Now, I want to guarantee that I can help you grow on TikTok. Just like all the examples I use in this video, I want to guarantee that I can get you growth. I want to tell you exactly when to post, what topic to choose, how to improve your watch time, and I want to critique your content for 30 days to guarantee that you grow. If that sounds interesting to you, then keep watching this video. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach is not going to last forever, and the only thing separating you from the creators that I mentioned in this video is 1, that you haven't implemented the steps from this video yet, and 2, you haven't gotten into my mentorship program where I literally guarantee that I can help you grow on TikTok. If you register for this program, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, and I'm going to critique your content for 30 days in order to guarantee that you grow on TikTok. You heard that right. If you don't grow on TikTok in this program, you get your money back, 0 questions asked. The average person that has joined the program in the last 30 days gained over 50,000 followers, and the lowest amount of followers anybody has ever gained in the program is 6,500 followers. If you want results like that, and I'm guessing that since you're still watching this video, you're probably above average, so you'll probably see more than 50,000 followers in just 30 days, no matter what niche you're in, no matter what background you're from, none of that stuff matters. The only thing that matters is you need a social media coach. You need somebody telling you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, so that you get results faster and you get results a lot easier. If that sounds interesting, go to the link in the description below. There are limited spots available, and the price is going to be going up in 2022, so please make sure you you check this out. This is the same exact program Joel Magician used to gain over 16 million followers, that AvMoves used to gain over 14 million followers, that Tuvok used to gain over 10 million followers, and thousands of other creators. I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in, I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in this before the price goes up, before there are no spots available, so that you can guarantee that you grow on TikTok. At the end of the day, you have absolutely nothing to lose. You're either going to grow on TikTok or you are going to get your money back, zero questions asked. Go to the link in the description and sign up right now before spots run out. And by the way, if you're not interested in that, just check out the 2 videos I'm going to put up on the screen, because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.